Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 18, that is comparison of adverbs. So, here, like adjectives, adverbs have a comparative and superlative form. Adjective की तरह adverbs की भी comparative और superlative form होती है. The comparative is formed with more and superlative with most. Comparative जो more होती है वो comparative की होती है, most होती है superlative को होता है. पॉजिटिव कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव. पॉजिटिव क्या आपका लाइक एबली है, कंपैरेटिव में क्या हो जाएगा मोर एबली हो जाएगा, सुपरलेटिव में मोस्ट एबली. क्विकली, मोर क्विकली, मोस्ट क्विकली, इकोनॉमिकली, मोर इकोनॉमिकली एंड मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकली. these are your positive sentences, these are your comparative and these are your superlative. you know a lark sings beautifully. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव है. a canary sings more beautifully than a lark. कंपैरिजन हो गई, कंपैरेटिव हो गई. A nightingale sings the most beautifully of all. कि मतलब इन दोनों से वो ज्यादा beautifully sing करती है, तो ये superlative हो गया. सबसे ज्यादा जो होता है वो superlative होता है. A candle shines brightly, positive. An electric light shines more brightly than a candle. Comparison हो गया, comparative हो गया. The sun shines the most brightly of all the sources. तो ये क्या हो गया, superlative हो गया. A horse runs quickly. A deer runs more swiftly than a wolf. A cheetah runs the most swiftly of all animals. ये आपका superlative है, comparative and positive. You know, with adverb that do not have an added ly ending, जिनमें ly ending में नहीं होता, we add er and est to form comparative and superlative. er या est लगाते हैं, उसे comparative या superlative word बनाने. comparative है er और est, superlative में like early, earlier, earliest, fast, faster, fastest, hard, harder, hardest, high, higher, highest, late, later, latest, long, longer, longest, low, lower, lowest, near, nearer, nearest, soon, sooner, soonest. Ravi tried hard. Raj tried harder than Ravi. John tried hardest of all. I can't sing very high. Priya can sing higher than me. Shreya can sing the highest in the whole group. This is the positive, comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative form. Priya arrived late. Positive. Priya Pal arrived even later. Comparative. Parul arrived the latest of all. Superlative. A bike travels fast. A car travels much faster than a bike. Comparative. Superlative में क्या होगा? A train travels the fastest of the three. Some common adverbs have irregular comparatives and superlative. कुछ common adverbs में regular comparative and superlative होता है. Positive, comparative and superlative. Badly, worse, worst. Far, further, farthest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Well, better, best. You did well in the exam. Julie did better than you, but Shilpa did best. Positive, comparative, superlative. The first player played badly. The second player played worse than the first. Comparative. The third player played the worst of all. Superlative. क्योंकि तो सबसे ज़्यादा worst खेला. We didn't won very far on our first day. Comparative, positive. We can further on our second day. We ran furthest on the last day. Superlative. Cats don't like swimming much. Positive. Ducks like swimming more. Comparative. Fish like swimming the most. Superlative. Much more. The most. Some adverbs cannot be compared like these adverbs are now, once, there, where, why, then, how, never, ever, before, after, daily, already, here, formerly, up, away, so, this, any, whether, or together. So ये क्या है इनको हम compare नहीं कर सकते adverbs को. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the comparison of adverbs. See you in the next class.